to that? How do
No,
you
it's
understand
only
that?
connected with special relativity in the sense that this projection process is supposedly transferring something from one point to another instantaneously and not
A signal.
respecting the speed of light.
Yes, sometimes.
That's the only, it has absolutely nothing to do with special relativity, except that it constitutes, supposedly, an example of something weird and wonderful happening in quantum mechanics that special relativity can't explain.
Well, it's a space-time issue.
So,
Yeah,
And so that makes you think of special
yeah,
relativity.
right.
are you saying something like special relativity is valid, but quantum mechanics
Yeah,
isn't?
am I saying anything like that?
Yeah,
No.
no. Okay,
I'm saying both of them are useful tools
Yeah.
if you don't make the mistake of applying them where they don't apply.
okay.
But we might not know where they apply and don't apply. That complicates the story.
I was thinking last night when we talked,
Yeah.
okay, so if there's a Big Bang cosmology, we'll call that a prior cause.
Mhm.
So then what would be correlated between one galaxy and another? Would
Yeah,
would
well,
be
that gets
sort
into
of
the issue
like
of
Alice and Bob.
free will. Is there any free will, and where does free will come from and all that? And a lot of people have tried to argue philosophically that free will comes from this collapse process. It's the collapse that introduces some monkey shines in the whole thing, that offer that break the solid links that everything would have if
but
you
in a
believe in a
certain way-
Descartes-type classical mechanics.
Yeah, this prior cause says that there's a limited amount of free will, which seems to make sense to me.
Uh-huh. Yeah, well, if there is free will, or the free will issue, I think, will be solved, not from quantum mechanics, but probably from chaos theory, where you have spontaneous, what do they call, bifurcations.
Yeah, right.
That's the only window I see at the moment, and that might not be a window,
Yeah, but what
really.
determines the bifurcation?
Yeah.
Is it the agent that has the free will, or is it a deterministic backlog?
It only pertains in those cases where this bifurcation is spontaneous or unaccounted for by the structure of whatever's bifurcating.
Right, okay.
And so, that's again, puffy, blah, 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 because I don't know that there's suitable bifurcation theory at all, but I see there's a glimmer of a hope there, rather than in mechanics. Any other questions, comments, brickbats, whatever?
Yeah, let's give Alan a hand.
Okay.